The truth about get rich quick, what actually works. If you've ever scrolled through social media and seen someone claiming they made $100,000 in a week, or promising that a secret system can make you rich overnight, you're not alone. The internet is full of get-rich-quick schemes that prey on our desire for instant success. But here's the truth most people don't want to hear. There's no shortcut to real, lasting wealth. While a few people strike lucky through inheritance, viral fame, or speculation, the vast majority who chase fast money end up losing more than they gain. Sustainable success isn't built on tricks. It's built on time, value, and consistent effort. Let's cut through the noise and uncover what really works if your goal is long-term financial freedom. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Why get rich quick is so tempting. Humans crave instant gratification. We want the reward now, not 5 years later. That's why promises of fast wealth are so powerful. They make us feel like success is finally within reach. Add social media into the mix, and the temptation becomes overwhelming. Every day we see influencers showing off designer cars, private jets, and tropical villas. What we don't see are the years of hard work, debt, and risk behind those pictures, or worse, the fact that some of those luxury lifestyles are rented for show. The illusion is seductive. If they can do it, why can't you? But the truth is, most people who chase instant wealth never build anything lasting. Quick money rarely sticks because it isn't backed by real skill, value, or discipline. And when the trend fades, so does the income. The psychology of fast wealth fantasies. At the heart of get-rich-quick thinking lies the lottery mindset, the belief that success is about luck, not mastery. This mindset makes people jump from one opportunity to another. Crypto today, real estate tomorrow. AI hustles next week. Instead of building expertise in one thing, they scatter their energy chasing trends. Real wealth, however, grows through compounding. Just like interest, skills, and reputation grow exponentially when nurtured over time. Every project, every lesson, and every connection adds to your long-term potential. The real danger of fast money thinking is emotional. When people fail, they often feel ashamed or unlucky. But the system is designed that way. Most get-rich-quick programs are built to profit off your impatience, not your success. The biggest get-rich-quick traps. Let's break down the most common traps that promise easy money but often deliver disappointment. One of the biggest is the online guru culture. You've probably seen ads like, "I made $10,000 a month from home. Buy my course to learn how." What they don't tell you is that most of their money comes from selling you that course, not from the method they're promoting. They profit off the dream, not the reality. Then there's high-risk trading and crypto hype. Investing can build real wealth, but only when done with knowledge and patience. Most people jump in blindly, hoping for quick gains, and end up losing when the market turns. Without discipline, trading becomes gambling, and the house always wins. Dropshipping and automation schemes are another favorite. Yes, people do make money through e-commerce, but it's not as easy as it looks. It takes time to learn marketing, build trust, and compete with thousands of others. Success in dropshipping isn't passive, it's persistence disguised as luck. And now we have AI money scams, promising that robots will make you rich while you sleep. Most of these platforms are shady or disappear overnight. Real AI tools can enhance productivity, but they don't magically print money. Technology is a tool, not a shortcut. What actually works? The real path to wealth. Now that we've exposed the myths, let's focus on what actually works. The truth may sound less glamorous, but it's the only path that leads to sustainable success. Develop a high-income skill. The fastest legitimate way to increase your income is by learning a high-value skill, something that businesses and individuals are willing to pay top dollar for. Skills like copywriting, video editing, programming, design, marketing, and consulting are in high demand, and you don't need a degree to learn them. Once you master a skill, you can freelance, start a business, or create your own digital products. The beauty of skills is leverage. Your value grows with every project, every lesson, and every satisfied client. Unlike trends, skills compound over time. Focus on mastery. Give yourself 6 months of consistent learning and real-world application. You'll be surprised how much your income potential can change. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on one source of income is risky. If it disappears, so does your stability. Wealthy people understand this and build multiple streams over time, not overnight. Start with your main income source, then use part of that money to create or invest in others. That could mean freelancing on the side, creating content online, starting a small business, or investing in assets that generate passive income. You don't need 10 income streams at once. Build one, stabilize it, and then expand. Over time, this layered approach gives you financial freedom and peace of mind. Learn to invest the right way. Investing isn't about gambling. It's about patience and discipline. The wealthy don't get rich by taking huge risks. They get rich by letting their money grow slowly and steadily. Start with simple, proven strategies. Index funds and ETFs are great beginner-friendly options because they grow consistently over time and don't require constant management. As you gain confidence, you can explore real estate or dividend-paying stocks that generate steady cash flow. Even small, consistent investments can lead to massive results. Investing $500 a month with average returns can make you a millionaire over a few decades. The key is starting early and staying consistent, even when the returns seem small. Build a personal brand. In today's digital world, your personal brand is your greatest asset. It's not about flaunting wealth. It's about building trust and showcasing value. When people know who you are and what you stand for, opportunities start finding you. Whether through social media, blogging, or YouTube, sharing knowledge and authenticity can attract clients, collaborations, and loyal followers. Over time, that attention becomes leverage. You can sell products, launch services, or partner with other brands. A personal brand compounds just like money does. The more value you share, the more trust you earn, and the more doors open in return. Master money management. Earning more means nothing if you don't know how to manage it. Many people who suddenly make big money lose it just as fast because they never learned basic financial principles. Start by tracking your spending. Know where every dollar goes. Avoid debt for things that don't make money, and invest in assets that appreciate over time. Save before you spend, and build an emergency fund for tough times. As your income grows, don't fall into the lifestyle trap, spending more just to look successful. True wealth is silent. It's about having freedom, not flexing status. The goal isn't to look rich, it's to be free. The real secret: patience and consistency. The greatest lie the get-rich-quick world tells is that success should come fast. In reality, all real wealth is built slowly. The people who seem to succeed overnight usually spent years learning, failing, and improving when no one was watching. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Working on your skills, savings, and mindset every day may not look exciting, but over time, it transforms everything. It's the quiet, repetitive actions that build extraordinary results. Wealth grows like a tree. It starts with planting the right seeds, skills, habits, and investments, and then nurturing them patiently. You won't see results right away, but one day you'll look back and realize you built something that lasts. The truth about get rich quick is simple. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Fast money fades, but real wealth grows slowly through value, discipline, and time. Stop chasing shortcuts. Start building systems that last. Develop your skills, create multiple income streams, invest consistently, and manage your money wisely. The process may take years, but the results will change your life forever. Getting rich slowly may not be glamorous, but it's the only path that actually works. And when you finally achieve financial freedom, you'll realize the journey itself was worth every step. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like these, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.